All right, I think robot vacuums have officially hit a point where they are starting to feel less like some kind of, I don't know, like gimmicky smart home gadget and more like you would think of an actual appliance. And what we know about appliances is they solve real problems in real life. Now, because of this, for the longest time, my issue with robot vacuums was always the same. They'd vacuum really well, but once it came to actually mopping, what they mostly did was take a damp cloth essentially and drag it around your entire house and just kind of hope for the best. And that's what makes this thing really interesting. This is the new ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro OMNI.
And it delivers a flagship experience at a mid-range price point.
And after using it around the house for a bit, I think this might be one of the better examples of a robot vacuum that actually understands what people need in real life. Not just huge suction numbers on a spec sheet, but things like better edge cleaning, better maintenance, quiet operation, and mopping that actually looks clean once you're finished watching it mop the entire house and it's not spreading dirty water everywhere. Now here's the biggest thing that stood out to me is the OZMOROLLER system. And here's why, because instead of just using a typical dual spinning pad like most robot vacuums have, this one uses a full 27 centimeter OZMOROLLER that actively scrubs the floor while it constantly washes itself with fresh water as it cleans. That's massive. Now that might sound like marketing fluff to you until you actually see it working in real time. So today I want to test this thing in a real house with real messes and see how it actually performs and figure out whether this is worth it over a more traditional robot vacuum setup. First impressions though, this thing looks absolutely premium. I absolutely love the build quality of this and the build quality of the station. On that note, the OMNI station is actually a super clean looking setup. It's just kind of a straightforward, good looking experience, and it has an app that honestly is simpler than I expected it to be. One thing I appreciated right away is that it doesn't make you feel like you need a PhD or something like that in robot vacuum settings just to get going. This is good for the average person that doesn't want to be in a bunch of menus. It's great. You can absolutely dive into those advanced customization if you want to, but for most people, they pretty much just like to map their house out, hit the clean button, and then watch this thing clean while you sit back on your couch with a ice cold lemonade. Now, one of the standout features on this robot is obviously the OZMOROLLER, and so let's start there when we're looking at this robot. I set up a few different messes around my house. That included dry sauces, which does happen. I have 2 children, some sticky spots around the kitchen, and a couple of wet spills, because that's pretty much what my house consists of regularly. My kids, it's summertime, they get messes all around. And a lot of vacuums struggle with just regular everyday messes, but this is where I started to notice the difference between something like a traditional mop pad system on a vacuum cleaner and the OZMOROLLER system. Instead of just kind of spinning these damp pads around, like I said, the OZMOROLLER is constantly rotating while it's being rinsed with fresh water in real time. And so you're always getting the absolute most cleaning that you can possibly have. In practice, your floor actually looks cleaner afterwards than having those kind of streaky smear marks that sometimes regular robot vacuums leave. The OZMOROLLER also applies downward pressure while scrubbing, and so it feels much more aggressive, like in a good way when it comes to sticky messes, because, you all know this, like you put elbow grease into that thing and it gets up. Well, this does that just fine. Normally with a lot of robot vacuums, you would expect it to have to do multiple passes, like it would get done with a cycle, you'd restart it, have to do that. But this one, like the first time through, it handles everything in one smooth go. And the other thing I noticed is how wide the OZMOROLLER is. It is a massive roller. And since it's longer than the standard dual setup pad, it covers a lot of area quickly. It leaves behind a really even, clean path. But honestly, the edge cleaning might be the biggest deal for me, because one thing that drives me absolutely insane with robot vacuums is when they leave a tiny strip of dust right along the wall or the kitchen cabinets, then you got to go back through, clean up after it. I don't want to do that. I want it to happen in one go. This uses ECOVACS True Edge system, where the OZMOROLLER actually extends outward while cleaning the edges and the corners of your entire house. And what's cool is you can literally see it happening while it's moving along the baseboards. Now, this is probably one of the more practical upgrades, because edge cleaning is one of those things that you notice every single day. If the whole floor is clean but the edges aren't clean, like that's not good enough. Now obviously this can mop, but that is only half the story. The vacuuming performance matters too. And this has a 30,000 Pascal of blast suction power, and that's a serious number. Like you can feel it and hear it when it's going. I threw down hair and crumbs, debris, both on my carpet and on the hard floor, and honestly, the pickup performance on this was so solid. What impressed me most wasn't even necessarily the raw pickup itself, but It was just the fact that it was so consistent. There was like nothing left behind. Sometimes robot vacuums can feel really strong one pass, and then over time, performance starts to drop because hair starts to wrap around the brush. But fortunately for this robot vacuum, it does have a zero tangle system that's specifically designed to maintain strong airflow while avoiding that hair wrapping around the brush. And even after cleaning, the brush, the way it works is it looks so clean. I don't know if you ever had this experience. When you ever had, like, I've got 2 girls in my house, and I've had to sit there for like an hour one time cutting hair out of the roller brush of scissors of past vacuums I've had. What's wonderful is not having to do that ever again. And also, if you're worried about noise, this thing is quieter than I expected, which is awesome. And yes, you can obviously hear it go throughout your house, but it's not this like super harsh screaming vacuum sound that some robots do when they ramp up their power. I've had this thing running while I'm editing videos, watching TV. I mean, my kids literally every morning, I have it do an auto run. They watch TV just fine with it. And you might notice it for the first few seconds, but then it just kind of fades into the background. And that's honestly an underrated thing, because if a robot vacuum is annoying to listen to, you're gonna stop using it, or at least you'll stop running it during the day when like you really need it. And so the quietness of this is awesome. Now, another thing that I wanted to test out was how it handled transitions in a house. Because this is an area where some robot vacuums, they really do struggle, especially when it comes to rugs. When you have a rug that's uneven with the floor, or it's a little bit higher of a rug, they can absolutely fall apart, pulling the rug up, all that kind of stuff. But the T90 Pro actually handles these transitions really, really well. It has very large wheels on it, and it was able to climb over these thresholds around the house without getting stuck a single time. And now, one thing I really like that it does is it actually lifts the OZMOROLLER up when it's moving onto carpet. That's just helpful because then your carpet doesn't get wet at all. And that's really helpful. Something for families with mixed flooring, they're probably going to appreciate quite a bit. Next, let's talk about the OMNI Station for a second, because this is honestly where robot vacuums either become convenient or just incredibly annoying. And thankfully, this one leans heavily toward the convenient side. The robot automatically washes the OZMOROLLER with up to a 75 degrees Celsius hot water, and then it dries it afterwards with 63 degrees Celsius hot air. While it's doing that, it separates the clean and the dirty water, automatically rinses the dirty water tank, and then it generally handles most maintenance stuff for you, which again is kind of the whole point of a robot vacuum in the first place. If I still have to constantly babysit this and clean everything manually, then that completely defeats the purpose for me. I don't want to do that. Now, another cool feature of this is the fact that it does have power boost charging. And here's what's really cool about it. While the robot is washing the OZMOROLLER, it is rapidly charging itself at the same time. In just 3 minutes, it provides it with 10% battery capacity. So instead of spending forever docked before it can continue cleaning, it gets power back quickly and it jumps right back into the job that it was doing. Now, that's especially useful in larger homes where your robot might need multiple charging breaks to finish your entire house. The fact that it does this so quick is awesome. Now, let's talk about some smart features of this robot. The obstacle avoidance here is actually super solid. I intentionally left things around my room like shoes and socks and just different obstacles around the floor, and it did a really good job navigating around everything without getting stuck, which again, that matters so much more than just flashy marketing features. Nobody wants to come home and find their robot stranded underneath a chair, fighting for its life, losing all of its battery. You want it to get the job done well, and so having that maneuverability is really great. Now, as far as the app goes, everything worked out perfectly well. Scheduling, room selection, cleaning modes, all the normal stuff is here. And you can also use voice commands through Eco, and if that's something you're into. Personally, for me, I just schedule the cleaning throughout the week, but having that voice control is kind of helpful if you're like sitting on the couch and you know you need to do a run through. It's helpful for that. Now, toward the end here, I kind of want to talk about who this is actually for. Yes, it can do all the basic stuff just fine. If that's what you're looking for, it's great for that. But if you have like, say you have pets, you got kids, hard floor, messy kitchens, you want something that's going to be able to handle vacuuming both like carpet, your regular floor. You want it to be able to mop well, vacuum well, with really minimal maintenance, then this thing stands alone in what you need to buy. And honestly, it just makes a lot of sense. I mean, with the OZMOROLLER genuinely feeling different from traditional mop pads, which honestly, like after using it, I think this style of cleaning probably makes more sense long-term than just those 2 spinning damp circles. The T90 Pro just kind of sits in a really interesting spot because what it does is it brings a flagship level feature to a price point that feels way more approachable than some of these ultra premium robot vacuums right now. And speaking of price, if you've been thinking about picking one of these up, the T90 Pro will be available at a special discounted price during the PD promotion period. So now is actually a great time to grab one. I will have a link below in the description for you to get one. What's awesome about this robot vacuum is that it doesn't feel like a gimmick. It feels like a robot vacuum designed around solving real problems for real people that real people complain about. It's got better edge cleaning, cleaner mopping with the OZMOROLLER. It takes way less maintenance, it's better at handling hair, and it's a quiet operation. So overall, I have been very impressed with this robot vacuum. You definitely need to let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, ECOVACS, for sponsoring today's video. I will see you guys in the next one.